It is not pleasant to feel demotivated, restless, and anxious. Anxious is not easy for you to work and also be creative and feel good overall. Sometimes our lack of motivation has a clear reason. It helps us to identify the causes and reduce the feelings of restlessness at the same time. Some of the most common causes of restlessness are as what we are going to discuss today. Hey everyone, I am Wong. I'm a HRD consultant, trainer, and writer. In this video, we will share about some of the most common causes of restlessness and leading to demotivation so that we can overcome them in time. The first reason why we are restless is because you have too much to do. The task list is so long and it is intimidating. What you need to do is focus on a single task and move step by step. As they say, start with the first step and you can climb the highest mountain. Or it could be you have the opposite problem where you have no work and that leads to no idea what to do. In this unfortunate case, what is the best thing to do is maybe to allow yourself to rest. You can disconnect from your work and responsibilities for just a few minutes. Or you can take a vacation, a holiday for yourself and take care of yourself. It is time for you to refresh and rejuvenate. And the next reason for why the restlessness comes crawling back is because of the work that you do is not interesting to you. This is a more harder reason to tackle, and it is not easy to find motivation in work or a job that you just simply don't like, no matter how long and how many times and how hard you have placed your interest in it. You strive. It's like climbing up an uphill, so hard to achieve the satisfaction. So what can you do in this case? First, you can focus on the meaning of the work has. It could be you are having financial freedom and independence because of the salary or the earnings from the job. Although you hate it, it pays the bills. It's hard to admit, but survival is important. Or you can support yourself to make the work more interesting. Challenge yourself to complete it faster. Have a competition with yourself, or to do the best that you can. Achieve a higher target. Be more personal with the goal that you want to achieve. For instance, if the work is boring, you can put a target to finish it at a certain time in order to achieve a certain reason or goal. As you can see and hear just now, there are a few ways to make yourself motivated again and end the restlessness. If you have too much to do, move step by step. If you have too little to do, Take time for yourself. And if your work is not interesting to you, make it more interesting. Till we meet again, have a good day and see you in the next video. Thank you.